In the intricate tapestry of life, the flow of energy is paramount. Every cell in the human body operates like a bustling city, with its own set of roads, factories, and power plants. At the heart of this cellular metropolis lies the mitochondrion, often referred to as the powerhouse of the cell. These organelles are responsible for converting nutrients into adenosine triphosphate, ATP, the energy currency that fuels nearly every biological process, from muscle contraction to nerve impulse transmission. However, when the flow of energy is disrupted, the consequences can cascade through the body, leading to a variety of health problems and diseases. To understand how energy flow can be blocked, one must first appreciate the complexity of cellular metabolism. The process begins with the breakdown of glucose, fatty acids, and other substrates through glycolysis and the citric acid cycle, ultimately leading to oxidative phosphorylation in the mitochondria. This biochemical ballet requires a delicate balance of enzymes, coenzymes, and electron transport chains. Any disruption in this finely tuned system can lead to a decrease in ATP production, resulting in a state of energy deficiency that can manifest in numerous ways. One of the most profound examples of energy flow blockage is seen in metabolic disorders such as diabetes. In type 2 diabetes, insulin resistance occurs, meaning that cells become less responsive to insulin, which is crucial for glucose uptake. This resistance leads to elevated blood glucose levels, which can overwhelm cellular metabolism. The excess glucose is converted into fat, leading to obesity, a condition that further complicates the body's ability to utilize energy efficiently. The result is a vicious cycle where energy production is impaired, causing fatigue, increased hunger, and a host of other symptoms. Over time, the chronic state of energy deficiency contributes to complications such as neuropathy, cardiovascular disease, and kidney damage, illustrating how a blockage in energy flow can precipitate systemic health issues. Another critical area where energy flow is impeded is in mitochondrial diseases. These genetic disorders arise from mutations in mitochondrial DNA or nuclear DNA that affect mitochondrial function. The result is a reduced capacity for ATP production, leading to a variety of symptoms that can affect multiple organ systems. For instance, individuals with mitochondrial myopathy may experience muscle weakness and pain due to insufficient energy for muscle contraction. Similarly, those with mitochondrial encephalomyopathy may suffer from neurological deficits, as the brain is particularly sensitive to energy shortages. The energy blockade in these conditions is not merely a localized issue, it can have far-reaching consequences, affecting everything from cognitive function to physical stamina. Furthermore, the role of oxidative stress in energy flow blockage cannot be overlooked. Mitochondria produce reactive oxygen species, ROS, as byproducts of ATP synthesis. Under normal circumstances, these ROS are neutralized by the body's antioxidant defenses. However, when energy production becomes compromised, such as during periods of intense exercise or in the presence of toxins, ROS can accumulate, leading to oxidative damage. This damage can impair mitochondrial function further, creating a feedback loop that exacerbates energy deficiency. The link between oxidative stress and diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's highlights how disruptions in energy flow can contribute to neurodegenerative processes. In these conditions, the brain's ability to generate and utilize energy effectively is compromised, leading to cognitive decline and motor dysfunction. Cardiovascular health is also closely tied to the efficiency of cellular energy production. The heart is an organ with an insatiable demand for energy, relying on a steady supply of ATP to maintain its rhythmic contractions. Conditions such as ischemic heart disease, where blood flow is restricted, lead to a significant energy deficit. The heart muscle, deprived of oxygen and nutrients, struggles to generate sufficient ATP, resulting in angina, heart failure, or even myocardial infarction. The interplay between energy flow and cardiovascular health underscores the necessity of maintaining optimal cellular metabolism to prevent disease. Moreover, energy flow blockage can have implications for immune function. Immune cells, particularly lymphocytes, require substantial energy to proliferate and mount an effective response to pathogens. In conditions such as chronic inflammation or obesity, Where energy metabolism is altered, immune cell function can be compromised. This can lead to an inadequate immune response, making the body more susceptible to infections and diseases. Conversely, a hyperactive immune response, as seen in autoimmune diseases, can also be influenced by energy flow disruptions, where the energy imbalance may exacerbate inflammation and tissue damage. The concept of energy flow blockage extends beyond individual cells to encompass whole systems and their interplay. The interconnectedness of metabolic pathways means that a disturbance in one area can have ripple effects throughout the body. For instance, the gut microbiome plays a pivotal role in energy metabolism, breaking down dietary fibers into short chain fatty acids that serve as energy sources for cells. Dysbiosis and imbalance in the gut microbiota can impair this process, leading to energy deficiencies and contributing to conditions such as obesity and metabolic syndrome. The intricate relationship between the microbiome and energy flow showcases the complexity of health and disease, emphasizing that blockages in energy production can arise from multiple sources. The flow of energy within cells is a fundamental aspect of human physiology and biochemistry. When this flow is disrupted, the consequences can be profound, leading to a cascade of health problems and diseases. From metabolic disorders like diabetes to mitochondrial diseases and cardiovascular issues, the implications of energy flow blockage are far reaching. Understanding these mechanisms not only provides insight into disease pathology but also highlights the importance of maintaining metabolic health through proper nutrition, exercise, and lifestyle choices. As research continues to unravel the complexities of cellular metabolism, it becomes increasingly clear that the vitality of our cells is inextricably linked to our overall health and well being.